Hi, this is Eileen Williams from Bicentennial Daycare, and today we are going to do an activity involving nature. So I encourage you guys to go outside and see what's in your backyard. So in mine, I have a plant, a bleeding lye, and it looks so pretty. So I'm just gonna take a few of these. And then I have a dandelion. Some of your nature, some of them smell and some don't. So I have this one, a flower. So what I'm going to do with all these is I'm going to make a picture or a collage. I have different other. This one smells not very nice. And then I have cedar, which was in my backyard. And then I also have a sunflower. Most of you guys probably have seen sunflowers out. They smell wonderful. So I'm going to make my sunflower into my sun. So before I glue them down, I'm just going to move them about to position them on my paper. And this is a pine cone. And this can also be a 3D picture because not everything's gonna stick flat, and that's good because it gives it texture. Another flower. And then I also took from my garden basil. Basil smells very sweet. So to me, this looks like it could represent corn on my picture. And then I have some roses. With the roses, I'm just gonna, you can take apart your flowers or your plants, it's your picture. Just make it as beautiful as you want. And the best part about doing this is everything has its own individual texture, as a rose is soft, and some of these other flowers are soft, and then there's this one here, it sort of feels rough. Different textures. And then I have some celery and some parsley. You can even have sticks and bark too. You can break off sticks and you can just add them. That's totally up to you. But, so I think I'm happy with this. And then I would use my glue and then I would glue down. So I would love to see what you guys come up with. And hope you enjoy. Thanks.